Algebra 1, number 2.5c, we're going to talk about the multiplicative property of 0. The multiplicative property of 0 says for any rational number like n times 0 is going to be 0. Now, do you remember in 4th and 5th grade, we called it the 0 property of multiplication? It's the same thing. It says that no matter what number we multiply to 0, it's going to equal 0. And this applies for all real numbers. And it doesn't matter if we're multiplying a positive or a negative with 0, it's going to be 0. And 0 is its own additive inverse. A positive 0 and a negative 0 is 0. Okay? So if we have 6 times 0, it's 0. Negative 7 times 0 is still 0. Negative 5/8 is going to be a 0. It doesn't matter if it's a decimal fraction, positive or negative. Anything multiplied to 0 is going to be 0. Okay? In 2.5d, we're going to talk about using the commutative and associative properties with rational numbers. Okay? I'll see you there. Bye.